Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you a simple shell stitch from my Stitchorama by Naztazia collection. Chain 36, or any multiple of 6. For row 1, make a single crochet in the 9th chain from the hook. Chain 2. Skip 2, and make 1 double crochet in the next chain. Chain 2. Skip 2, and make 1 single crochet in the next chain. Chain 2, skip 2, and make 1 double crochet in the next chain. Continue alternating single crochet and double crochet across the row. At the end, chain 1 and turn. For row 2, make a single crochet. In the previous single crochet, make 5 double crochet. Two, 3, 4, and 5. In the previous double crochet, make 1 single crochet. And in the next single crochet, make 5 double crochet again. Two, 3, 4, and 5, followed by a single crochet in the previous double crochet. Continue this pattern across the row. At the end, make a single crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. Change colors if desired. Chain 5 and turn. For row 3, make a single crochet in the 3rd double crochet. Chain 2. Make a double crochet in the previous row's single crochet. Chain 2 and make a single crochet in the 3rd double crochet. Chain 2 and make a double crochet. Continue this across the row. Chain 1 and turn. For row 4, make a single crochet in the same stitch. As we did before, make 5 double crochet stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5, followed by a single crochet. At the end, you can change colors again if you wish. Chain 5 and turn your work. Repeat rows 3 and 4 until you reach the desired height of your sample. As always, you can find the written pattern on Naztazia.com.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.